Well, I'm at the back of the starting line right now. I'm at the very back of the starting line. I have the GoPro camera. We are ready to go. I want you guys to make big noise, part the seas like I'm Moses, because I'm coming right through the sand. When I come through, I want you guys to get crazy. Make some noise. Here I come. Here I come. Yeah. Make some noise, you guys. Let's go, Toronto. We got all kinds of great teams. That's what we're talking about. They're telling me Montreal is starting. All right, you guys. That's how we do it. Here I come. We got the Chargers in the house. Oh, yeah. Okay. I see you. I'm going to call you guys amazing. Nice. We got the Mud It Out. We got Mud is the new black. I can kind of relate to that. All right. Yeah. All right. Let's make some noise. I'm coming up. Yeah. Ready to go, buddy. All right, you guys. I want to see everybody put your hands in the air. Side to side. Side to side. Side to side. Wave it up. Nice. All the way to the front. Yeah. That's how we do it. We are a few minutes away from the start line, you guys.